Hello, this is Andrew from PayPal, and today I am going to demonstrate how to upgrade a classic PayPal integration that uses a full page redirect to the new Smart Payment Buttons product. This video is going to demonstrate a merchant with a link tag with their integration or any sort of a GET request off of the cart page. If this is not how you're currently integrated, I do have some additional upgrade videos that may cover your specific integration. All right, so let's just start off by taking a look at the current merchant setup. So we see we have our PayPal button here, and we'll inspect it quick. And we see that it is an A tag, which is a GET request, and it goes to the classic SetExpress checkout redirect route. So let's take a look and see what happens when we click the button. You'll see that it goes to that SetExpress checkout redirect route, which does a 302 redirect to sandbox.paypal.com checkout now with the token. So now when I log in, when I click continue here, it's actually going to redirect my page to the return URL, which you'll see here. Now typically the merchant's going to display some confirmation information, grab the shipping address from PayPal, and then I place my order, which runs another API call to complete the order, and you'll see I have my transaction ID and my timestamp. So the only other part is the cancel URL. So if I were to click the cancel and return URL here, it's going to return me to the cancel URL on the merchant's page, which is your classic functionality. All right, so now let's take a look at how to upgrade this type of integration to the new Smart Payment Button product. And I've already done the work for us, so I'm just going to turn it on, and then we'll go through it. All right, so you'll see the button changed a little bit. If I inspect it, we'll now see that we added a container here called PayPal-button. We added the JavaScript for the Smart Payment Button product, and then this little script tag here. All this does is it grabs the old link, which you'll see here, the PayPal link, which was our old integration, and it's just going to display none, so it's going to hide it. Then we're going to render a new PayPal button inside of the PayPal button container, which we added here. We call PayPal button.render. Environment for this is going to be sandbox. You'll probably want it to be production. And then inside the payment callback has to return the token. So we're going to use PayPal.request, which is an HTTP library inside of the Smart Payment Button product. And we're going to make a GET request because that's how our existing integration works, because we have an A tag to a GET to this route here. So we are doing a GET AJAX request to the same route as before, and we're passing in a special header in the accept, which is application PayPal JSON token. What this does is it allows PayPal to respond with the COURS headers, and it will respond with the token that is on the URL so the JavaScript can consume it. And that's why here we are saying return response.token. And then the unauthorized, this callback is called when you click the continue button at PayPal, and all we're doing then is doing an actions.redirect. So we're just going to redirect to the return URL just like before. Same with on cancel, we do an actions.redirect, which will redirect to the cancel URL. And then we have this on error callback, which is going to catch any errors along the way. All right, so now let's see what happens when we actually click the button. So you'll see, just like before, when I click that button, we're making a request. This time it's an XHR request to that SetExpress checkout redirect route, the same as before. And you'll see that it actually does a 302 redirect on that XHR and eventually lands on that sandboxpaypal.com checkout now link. But this time PayPal's just responding with the token, which then is consumed by the JavaScript to render the PayPal checkout experience. And the reason it's responding with this is because of that special header that we passed in the accept. So now when I hit continue, there we go. And when I place order, we will see the order has been placed. All right, so let's just check to make sure that our cancel URL works as well. So when I hit cancel and return, it should go to the cancel URL, which we'll see here. All right, and that's it for this video. We completely upgraded this merchant site to the Smart Payment Button product without making any server-side changes. All the changes that we made were on the client side. Feel free to add any questions or comments that you have about this video, and stay tuned for more videos in the future.